Cell phone video caught it on camera months ago, and you may remember seeing this on Local 6. A father hit by a stun gun after deputies pulled over his autistic son. New at 7, months later, that father is speaking out and filing a lawsuit. He told Local 6's Eric Sandoval why he thinks deputies were way out of line. And we do want to warn you, some of this video may be hard to watch.
This lawsuit claims that 2 deputies here at the Marion County Sheriff's Office used excessive force when they used their stun gun on Roy Sherman last May. We spoke to Sherman today, and he tells us excessive is putting it mildly.
But that was just pure torture or punishment when they did that.
9 months after his run-in with Marion County Sheriff's deputies, Roy Sherman says it still haunts him. In May of last year, Sherman arrived at the site where deputies had just pulled over his son Alex for a traffic violation. He said he was worried about how Alex may react because he's autistic. In this video shot by his son in the car, you can hear deputies telling him to leave, but Sherman refuses. 19 seconds later, deputies use a stun gun on him.
This thing comes like a bullet. Hit me right here, 50,000 volts. That's actually hooked to wires. But when they had me on the ground, they actually had me handcuffed, and I was not trying to fight or scuffle. If anything, I was writhing in pain still.
But Sherman says it didn't stop there.
But one of them pulled my arms up and lifted my shirt and did what they call a drive stun. That's where they stick the gun right to your skin and hit me 3 times. That's 50,000 volts. That's 150,000 volts in just a matter of seconds.
Sherman was arrested and taken to jail, but the charges were eventually dropped. Reason enough, Sherman says, to sue Marion County for excessive use of force and false arrest.
They just were trying to torture me because I didn't follow his instructions. The sheriff's the king of the road. You got to obey him.
An internal investigation here at the Marion County Sheriff's Office showed that these deputies did nothing wrong. That is noted in this federal lawsuit, and it's sure to be talked about when the case goes to court. In Marion County, Eric Sandoval, Local 6.
And the Marion County Sheriff's Office would not comment on the lawsuit.